Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gaina. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Tripod Headstand. Tripod Headstand is a tribal pose such as combined with inversion, balance and arm balance all in one. To prepare for Tripod Headstand, you should begin with some of the shoulder strengthening poses such as Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose and dolphin pose. If you are good at all this pose, and this pose is very easy to perform by yourself and little bit of practice. Before moving to the practicing of Tripod Headstand, let us see a few contraindication of this pose. If you have any neck injury, high BP, headache and migraine. Let us see how to perform this Tripod Headstand. First, we should begin with the Vajrasana. From here, place your both palms on the mat. Make sure the fingers spread apart like this. From here, place your top of the head on the mat. Slowly bend down, place your top of the head to the mat. Walk your knees one step back. Make sure when you are in this pose, do not bring your hand next to the ears, or you should not lengthen the arms. You should be in a shoulder level like this. From here, slowly tuck your toe in, lift your knee up and stay there. If you are practicing the Tripod Headstand for the first time, if you have any fear of falling down on the back side, make sure to practice next to the wall, or else you can take the support of your teacher, support of someone. Now let us try to lift the legs. Okay? Spread your fingers apart, place your top of the head to the mat. From here, slowly tuck your toe inside, lift your knee up, slowly walk, bend your knees, no problem. Place your one knee on the other side of the elbow, near to the elbow. Same way, other leg on the other side of your elbow. Make sure, try to balance here. If you want, you can practice next to the wall. Balance, stay there. Slowly drop your legs one by one and relax in child pose. When you're in this pose, make sure do not jump or a kick as is shown in the video. Complete, shift your body weight on your arms and the head. After in this pose, now slowly lift your knees up from the arms and try to hold in the halfway. If you are able to balance in the halfway, let us try to lift up the legs to the complete 90 degree. If you feel fear of falling down the back side, you can take the support of the wall and practice next to the wall. Now slowly, same way, come to the half Sirsasana position. From here, slowly with balancing, slowly try to stretch your legs and balance. Let us see what are the benefits of this pose. It strengthens the arms, shoulders, builds the core strength, improve the blood flow to the brain, enhance the mental activity, improve the balance, stimulate the glands in the brain. That's it for today. This pose is little more challenging compared to the normal Sirsasana. It depends on you and your practice. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of tripod headstand. See you on another video. Till then, take care and namaste.